The Arduino Uno is one of the most popular and widely used microcontroller boards in the Arduino family. It is designed for beginners and hobbyists who want to start exploring the world of electronics and programming. Here are some key features of the Arduino. In Arduino, a microcontroller refers to a small, integrated circuit IC that serves as the brain of the Arduino board. The microcontroller is responsible for executing the instructions programmed into the Arduino sketch code and controlling the various components connected to the board, such as sensors, actuators, LEDs, and displays. The analog input pins on an Arduino board are labeled A0 to A5. These pins are specifically designed to read analog voltage signals from sensors. Analog input. Arduino boards have analog to digital converter ADC pins that allow them to read analog input voltages. These pins can measure voltages within a specific range, usually 0 to 5 volts on most Arduino boards, and convert them into digital values that the microcontroller can process. Digital pins, labeled as 0 to 13 on a standard Arduino Uno board like in the previous image, are the workhorses for interacting with various electronic components. Unlike analog pins that deal with continuous voltage levels, digital pins function in a binary world. They can only be in two states. In Arduino, the reset switch is a physical button, or switch typically located on the Arduino board itself. Its primary function is to reset the microcontroller, effectively restarting the code execution from the beginning. Pressing the reset switch. When you press the reset switch, it momentarily connects the reset pin of the microcontroller to ground, causing a reset signal to be sent to the microcontroller. A crystal oscillator is an electronic oscillator circuit that uses the mechanical resonance of a vibrating crystal of piezoelectric material, usually quartz, to create an electrical signal with a very precise frequency.